Hey guys, Toby Mathis here. If you own a home, you have a retirement account, you have kids, or you have anything you actually care about, you should at least understand what a living trust does, because most people think estate planning is about what happens when you die, and that's not the truth. It's about what happens to your family when life gets messy and you're not there to fix it. So here are the top 5 reasons people need a revocable living trust. Reason number 1, avoid probate. Probate is that court process, and it takes time. It's moving stuff from your name to their name, and it's slow, it's expensive, and it's public. Everybody can see it. And here's the part that kind of drives me nuts. Your family can do everything right, and they still get stuck waiting on the court. The living trust is a legal shortcut. If the asset is in the trust, it doesn't need probate. Your successor trustee can step in, boom, follow your instructions right away. And if you own real estate in more than one state, it even gets uglier. Without a trust, your family can end up doing probate in each state where you own property. Multiple probates, multiple lawyers, multiple court systems. No thank you. Reason number 2, incapacitation. Incapacity planning, let's just call it that. This is the one that nobody wants to talk about. A will doesn't do anything while you're alive. If you have a stroke, dementia, an accident, or anything that makes it hard to manage your affairs, a will just sit there. A trust, on the other hand, works while you are alive. You have a successor trustee. If you can't manage things, they can manage the trust assets without needing a judge to appoint somebody. No conservatorship, no guardianship, no court fight over who gets control. Reason number 3. Privacy. Probate is a public record, meaning your assets, your debt, who gets everything. It's literally there, that can be looked up. Anybody can get it. And that's when things can kind of go weird. Like you end up with neighbors making weird claims, cousins popping up that you didn't know existed, financial advisors who suddenly wants to help your spouse invest. A trust is private. It's not filed at the courthouse like a will. Your family's business stays your family's business. Reason number 4, control over distributions. Control from the grave. All right? If you leave assets outright to somebody, they just get it outright. And if that somebody is 18 or 19 or going through a divorce, they have substance abuse issues, they have alcohol, drugs, or they just suck with money, they're just going through a bad situation, they're getting sued, you just handed them a grenade and you pulled that pin. With a trust, you can delay distributions, you can put credit shelter provisions in there, you could set milestones for them, you can do installment payouts, you can give the trustee discretion. You can also protect minor kids. And you can even structure it properly for special needs beneficiaries so that you don't accidentally blow up their government benefits. Reason number 5, drama. Living trust can reduce family drama because wills are inviting a challenge. Hey, Dad didn't mean that. Hey, Mom was being pressured. They're not in their right mind. They would never have just left me this. And now your plan gets to become a family lawsuit paid for by your money. Whoops. A properly done trust is harder to contest. We can put teeth in it. You're disinherited if you do that. And it avoids the court process that invites more conflict. So going to court, yeah, it's going to attract lawyers and things like that. People act differently. Now here's the key. It's a revocable living trust, meaning you still have control of it through your whole life. You can change it, you can amend it, you can even revoke it. And it adapts as your life changes. And this is really important. It only works if it's funded, because it's not magical. It doesn't, hey, I signed a trust and everything's in there. Nope, you actually have to put assets into it. And that's where most people mess up. And here's what I want you to do next. I've got a full video that breaks down living trusts in plain English, what they do, what they don't do, and how to avoid the most common mistakes. Go watch my video next. It's linked right here. And if you want more stuff like this, tax, asset protection, how to keep your family out of court, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And by the way, if you know somebody that would benefit from this, please share it.